Hello you guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing just a small grocery haul. I got from things I got from Aldi. So I really didn't need that much stuff from Aldi. I just picked up some fruits and vegetables and everything. So let me just go ahead and show you. I got some canola oil, some eggs, and I decided to get the California medley, the broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. I haven't got this in a minute. You finna go? Yeah. No, you not. Why? I got some shrimp and all the stuff. That's why I get it from Sam's, because all these, they got this tail on it, but Sam's don't. So, but I just didn't want to get the big old bag of shrimp from Sam's because we didn't eat it all last time. So I got the shrimp, chicken nuggets. I got 2 bags because he loves these chicken nuggets. I got some tomatoes, some sweet peppers, strawberries. I got this from Sam's, so I didn't get this from Aldi. I got 2 things of waffles, some popcorn, the mini bagels. Hubby got some type of wine cooler thing. The sweet kale, I haven't had this in a minute. Chopped salad kit. It comes with the all the other little fixings. What else I get? Butter. I got some black forest ham because hubby, he liked that. And I got me some honey turkey breast. Butter with margarine. Some thin pork chops. $9.01. That's a good deal. I got some chicken breast. Okay, I got some wheat bread and artisanal style bread. I love this bread. I got me some Oreo cookies because I like to fry my Oreo cookies too, as well as dip it in the milk. Some vanilla cookies for the kids. Some avocado. Some more taco seasoning. Some cheese. Chili. Hubby grabbed the chili. He needs to make some homemade chili, but it's too hot right now. I got 3 green beans, pineapples, and these right here smell so good, y'all. This is like $6 and some cents and some change. And I got the Mountain Air, the 3-wick candle, and I always get this, the Tropical Escape. It smells so good. At Aldi, y'all. At Aldi. The biscuits. I got some biscuits. Cinnamon rolls, the English cucumbers. I got some celery and some green onions, peppers, lettuce, some Dawn dish liquid. I need it. Hubby got his tropical fruit and cantaloupe, some oatmeal cookies, some more shredded cheese, and some easy peel oranges. I love these things. And that's it for our Aldi, for the Aldi's. That's it for the Aldi's haul. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this stuff up. I did get some flowers from Sam's. I didn't do a vlog on that. I didn't want to add all that to it. I got a separate vlog that I'm working on for my Sam's, but. Hold on, it just won't act right, y'all. I'm gonna rinse my veggies off and all that and put them in the containers and everything. And also my meats. all my berries, I don't put them and wash them until it's time for me to eat them, because I notice, it's just me, it will wither fast if you put water on them. That's just my theory. I've experienced it before, so I am going to put them in the little containers. Hope they fit. It's about to storm out there. It's actually starting to rain now. It's looking kind of ugly out there. Kind of ugly. So I'm just put up all my fruits and vegetables, and now I'm just about to put up the other groceries. I gotta wash off the chicken, portion that, and that's about it. Okay, you all, so I did my chicken, and I put chicken breast. This is the chicken breast. I put 2 to a pack. It came with 8 of them. 2, 4, 6 of them. So I put 2 to a pack, because what I do is sometimes I cut it up in strips, or I just open it up and grill it, or make different things with this. So that's why that's 2 to a pack for hubby and I, in case the grandkids come over as well. And these, I got 5 to a pack, so 1, 2, so these 20 came in a pack for like, I think it was like 14 bucks at Sam's. So yeah, let me go ahead and put these up. And it's like raining bad outside. The wind was blowing, now it's raining. So put my chicken breast up. Excuse me for a second, let me put this up. Put this right here. That on top, and I'll just keep that right there. So that's it, y'all. That is it. I think I'm gonna go do a little laundry. I was gonna step out and go to the store, but it's raining, like I said. Why you close the blinds up? Sure. Like, really? Talking to Kiki. But yeah, so I will talk to y'all later. Thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. Y'all keep safe as well.